Helping someone with their PC can be a real challenge, especially when you can't see their screen. With Microsoft's Quick Assist, you can remotely access their computer and guide them step by step, showing exactly where to go. To get started, open Quick Assist from your apps list or use the shortcut Ctrl+Windows+Q. The person offering help should click the Help Someone button, which will generate a code to share with the other person. Once the code is entered, the person receiving help will need to grant access. After connecting, the helper can see the other person's screen and request control. You can also use a laser pointer to highlight important areas and the annotation tool to make notes directly on the screen. Plus, there's a chat option if you can't speak directly. When the issue is resolved or you're ready to end the session, either person can simply click the Leave button. For more information on your Lenovo devices, subscribe to Lenovo Support on YouTube or visit pcsupport.lenovo.com.